Hello to all the employees of Railyard Studios Incorporated. Today we will be doing a test procedure on a model locomotive. First you need to clean the wheels. Make sure to clean the dust off to prevent jamming the wheels and not work properly. Great job. Now that we cleaned the wheels, let's move to movement test. Place the model locomotive onto the tracks to test the movement. Make sure that all the tracks were fully connected or else the model locomotive will not work properly. Use the remote's control to make the model locomotive move backwards and forward. Great job. Now that the model locomotive was moving properly, let's move on to the eye movement test. First take off the model locomotive's